Hey guys, so as you can see, this is the Ulefone Armor 22. So this is the device and some of its specs are mentioned here. The phone would have a 6.58-inch Full HD plus 120Hz display. And as you can see, this image shows that the device would have a dual rear camera setup. And it's already mentioned here, it's going to be a 64MP primary sensor and a 64MP night vision camera. This is a nice combination. Also at the camera module there is what seems to be dual infrared lights and a flash. The device would also run on the latest Android 13. It's going to be the stock version. It's going to have a 6600 mAh battery, IR blaster, and the device would come in two variants, 8GB RAM and 128GB storage variant, as well as an 8GB RAM and 256GB storage variants. Of course, the 256GB option would be more expensive than the 128GB option. So this is the Armor 22. It's coming very soon. I don't know the exact date it's going to be released. In fact, there's no more details about the device except for what we see, but what we see is good. Its release date, its price will be revealed very soon. But the question I have is this: which smartphone would succeed the Armor 22? This is the Armor 22 is going to be released, but which phone would succeed the Armor 22? Is it the Armor 23 Ultra that Ulefone announced a few months ago, or maybe skip to the Armor 24? But what I do know is that another smartphone would have to succeed this upcoming Armor 22. Anyway, I'd like to hear your thoughts about this upcoming rugged phone from Ulefone. Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.